Welcome to the PSQ channel. In my previous video, we discussed how we can set up GitHub Copilot and Playwright MCP in the VS Code IDE. In this video, let's see how we can generate test cases automatically with the help of GitHub Copilot and Playwright MCP using the TypeScript language. Let's jump into our IDE, that is VS Code. So here, I will create one test folder like test context. Inside that test folder, I will create another text file called textcontext.txt. By right clicking on this one, you can create a new text file like this. Okay. Inside this file, I will put some contents like this. So these are the things that I'm going to specify in this test context file. These are the guidelines that we are planning to give to this GitHub Copilot to generate the test cases and run all these test cases as a test suite. So let me explain what are these steps. So I'm instructing this GitHub Copilot to act as a Playwright test generator. Then basically these are the prompts that we are planning to give to this GitHub Copilot. The test scenario will be provided. Your task is to produce Playwright tests. Do not generate test code directly from the test scenario description alone. Execute the test scenario step by step using the test tools available in the Playwright MCP. Maintain context through each steps and observe the results. Only after all these steps successfully completed, generate the Playwright test scripts test using Playwright test based strictly on the accumulated message history. That means until all these things are getting finalized and debugged, we are not going to generate the test scripts, and all the generated test cases will be saved and run all the tests, refine it as needs until they pass successfully. That means I will moderate this little bit, run the test in headed mode. I want to see these things are getting run in headed mode. That means that browser should be open and we need to see how it is executing. And these are the instructions that I am going to give to this GitHub Copilot. Okay. Apart from that, I have another set of test scenario has been documented. These are the things that I am giving as an instructions to this GitHub Copilot. Create a POM model for below steps. That means I want to have a page object model kind of test framework in order to execute these things. Test scenarios are described as this, like this. Open the web URL. This URL will be opened. This is a login page. I need to enter username and password, and I need to verify whether that dashboard part is available in the landed page or not. These are the test scenarios that I am going to perform here. Let's see how we can do that. So once I copy and pasted all these instructions into this test context file, I will save this and I will drag and drop this into my GitHub Copilot chat window. So that will refer this test context text file while they are providing the test execution for us. So after that, I will copy these things as well and I will paste it in here, and I need to select agent from this drop down, and I will select GPT 4.1 as the model, and I will click on this run button. Let's see what will happen. It is working on that, and that will ask for permissions to execute these things. So I will allow these things. Now web browser is getting open, and again that chat window is asking for a permission. Again, that is going to fix some codes as well. I will allow all these things, and that will fix whatever the errors that they are finding. So still that is working on that. The GitHub Copilot started to execute that test cases. Now browser is getting open, and whatever the instruction that I have given to this GitHub Copilot is executed. Now it is opened. And it will type the username and password that will verify all these things, and they have stopped after successfully executed all these steps. So we can see that all the steps have been passed. So that is how we can generate the test cases using the GitHub Copilot VS Code. So, and if you look into the generated test cases and the related files, you can see the test login dashboard file is also generated. This is the main test script, and the relevant page object related files also have been generated like this. File for the dashboard page, this is the page file for the login page. That sort of things are generated successfully, and we can execute all these things after generating entire test framework very easily. That is the benefit that we can get with the help of artificial intelligence with the help of GitHub Copilot. If we click on this keep button, we can save all the generated files in our test structure. That is how we can generate the test cases in an automatic way using the artificial intelligence. In the next video, let's see how we can generate API test cases in the VS Code with the help of GitHub Copilot and Playwright MCP. See you in the next video. Thank you.